Welcome to another unboxing and review from Alan's Trains. What do you suppose we've got here? Looks like we've got a lot of rubbish, doesn't it? But we have got, from the Vintage Toy Exchange, we have got the Mystery Mansion station. This is from the Bachmann Underground Ernie range. Can't get it off. Yes. And there is Underground Ernie himself. And here is an illustration of the Mystery Mansion station. Here are the characters from the series. This box does not appear to ever have been opened before. So it's a new old stock. These boxes are quite difficult to get open. You've got a turret, another turret, platforms, and here are some instructions. Let's get it assembled. You get quite a lot of things with it. You get a knight, a lady, and a monster. There's a seat. There's an underground travel information screens. Platform number, and, 2 flags. Let's get it assembled. Well, the first thing you can say about the Mystery Mansion station is it's great for a laugh. You can expect to pay about £10 for it on eBay. For £10, it represents quite good value for money. You get quite a lot of things included. You get the railway man in a crocodile costume, and you get up here we get the damsel in distress. There she is. And over the other side we get the knight, but also notice the doors open on this. Doors all open, which is quite good. And you also get quite a lot of accoutrements. You get here you get a platform sign, and you get a passenger information monitor, and you get 2 seats, and you get this awning and a turnstile even. The whole thing, of course, is made of plastic, but I mean, you could do a bit more work on it and make it look a bit more authentic. Let's look around the back, shall we? You'll notice that around the back there actually is detail too. Around the back there's an entrance with an awning the other side and steps down. So there again is quite a good model really. You see the steps going up inside the building and the awning above.